Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and I'm sharing another typewriter project. These are little cellophane bags that I have. I've got some big ones too, but I just used some scraps. I'm trying to use up my scraps that I have, boxes and boxes of scraps, and just anything in my stash. I'm not going to buy another piece of paper. I've said that for years, but I really am not going to. So anyways, I just used some scraps and typed up some of the poems by Joan, Walsh, Anglund. I just love them. I love them. So I typed them up on the scraps, and then I used, this is the new Dollar Tree. I think I put it away already. The little black stamp. And then the little hearts are from the We Are Memory Keepers, I think it is. Yeah. No. Or else Mamby. Those little, they look like whiteout things. And then you get 3 different ones. So I used that for the hearts. And then anytime I had like a big boo-boo, I punched out a little butterfly and put it there. Thankfully, not too many. So, and then I just typed out one of her poems, and then I used some Dollar Tree Velcro, which Velcro's not cheap at fabric stores, so it's kind of nice to have a $1 thing of Velcro, because then you don't feel like you're spending a lot of money on your craft stuff. And these obviously are going to be for either giveaways or I'll definitely sell some at upcoming craft fairs. So, and then I just punched out, the bottom one is a Martha Stewart punch, and the top one is EK Success. And then I stapled the butterflies together, and then used some score tape, Sookwang. I don't even know. Somebody sent me this. I think, yeah, it is score tape. Never mind. I was going to start telling a story, but somebody did send me some score tape type of tape that they got at Daiso, and I think it was Cynthia Soto. And I'm pretty sure it was her. So thank you, Cynthia. So anyways, so I made a bunch of these. Here's some more of the, I think it's Mamby that makes those pen things. They're like pin washi things. And then, and I don't mind typos. I actually think it kind of adds to the homemade whimsical feel of it. And I am a person who makes money on not having typos or finding typos. So I'm not going to open all of them. They are. These were really fun to make. They look just really sweet. That's the other Mamby, the little black lines. So then I typed up larger. So then I typed up larger pieces of the books. Like this one, Do You Love Someone, is the whole book. And this is like, a friend is someone who likes you. That's a couple poems from that. Or stanzas, I should say. And I found that the white paper really shows up the best. But I'm making it so that they can take them out of the bags if they want. Love is a special way of feeling. That's the entire book. And so, Do You Love Someone? And then, A Friend is Someone Who Likes You. That is a couple stanzas from that. Or a few, I should say. So, I had Scrubby punch out. This Martha Stewart punch is really, really hard for me to do because of my thumb. And even then, and even him doing it, it doesn't punch every single piece out. So you kind of got to either pull it out or snip it out. And I almost wonder if she made that on purpose like that. I don't know. So anywho, I'll first do the Velcro. Oh, I didn't notice that. And I cut these in half, mainly because I don't want this big, huge dot on there, or circle on the thing, because it'd be too much. And also because it's all I need, and my scissors is missing. Oh yeah, so it's all I need, plus it saves money, lowers the cost of your project. Oh, it's gooey. Especially if you're selling it, which is a big deal. Oh, I swear I gotta get some glue gun now. You know what I should be doing? Is Tim Holtz. So I gotta glue gun those. Because the Teflon ones don't worry. They don't worry about glue. They don't have a problem with glue. That's why these are nice to have. They cut through just about anything. Might be it. 2, 4, 6. Yeah, I think that's enough. So you just want to take one off, and then I want to get it on this flap, because if I put it on this, it doesn't hold that down. And about the center. And if you haven't done Velcro this way, this is the best way to do it, because then you don't have to worry about those things. I didn't want to tell that part. You know, coming together correctly, because it will. Well, I'll have to miss that. Oh, duh, I forgot I was going to put some washi on all this. Tee. But that's okay. That'll get them going. And I'm being really lazy about the washi because I have so much washi. I could go in my washi boxes and find exactly the perfect washi for each one of these, but this is still sitting out because I haven't swatched it yet, so that's what I'm going to use. Being the lazy crafter today. Okay, so I'll let those sit. I'm going to put this away, or they'll lose them. Well, maybe I'll do the washi. Yeah, I'll do the washi. I've got a huge avalanche waiting to happen. So I just want to add a little bit of color and prettiness. Okay, so I did come across this when I went to go get my washi tape and card. So, I might use that. That is teeny. Then I've got my butterflies. And these I just staple together with my tiny attacher from Tim Holtz. And I attach them with some Sukwang. And then flip up the wings. And like you could probably put, if you wanted to, pearls or something. But I'm just going to leave it. I kind of want it more simple. So I think I'm actually going to do all these butterflies first. Now that I got this on my finger. almost won $100 yesterday. We were at a local VFW, and every Saturday they have some fundraiser, you know, either the local hockey team or whatever. Well, yesterday they were raising money for their kids' programs. And they have a meat raffle. They have a taco bar and a meat raffle every Saturday, no matter what. And then yesterday they didn't have any group come in, so they just were doing it for themselves, for their kids' program. So we were losing at every meat raffle. And the last couple times we won, last times we've done it. So then, where are my things? Oh, so then, dang it, I want to do this stuff first. After the meat ran out, or they said it ran out, they did this gift card thing, but the first one, whoever won $100. So we're gabbing, blah, blah, blah. We're there with some friends. And they finally came to our table, and they only had 3 cards left, 3 chances left. And my friend bought 2, and then they were going next to Scrubby, and I was just going to say, honey, get it, when my friend's stepdad next to Scrubby said, oh, I want to get one of those. And I'm like, oh, darn it. Well, and I thought, well, we've wasted enough on losing on the meat raffle. Well, guess who won? What am I doing? See, I'm all upset now. Guess who won? We could have won $100. Coulda, woulda, shoulda, right? And then the taco lady, she was right next, kind of behind us, where the taco bar was. She came over and she goes, I was going to get that. You know, I was going to buy that. And I'm like, so was I. So get in line. I didn't say that. But that's what I was thinking. So anyways, then he had already won he already won the meat raffle once. And then after that, he won another meat raffle. So he was being lucky that day. And you know what's really weird? It's my friend's, it's not like her stepdad, but it's her mom's boyfriend. Well, her mom passed away the day before Christmas 2 years ago. And it was her birthday this week. So that's why they went there, to kind of celebrate her birthday, because she loved meat raffles and pull tabs and stuff like that. So we kind of all think like she was watching over her boyfriend. Because it was kind of weird. I mean, he really won a lot for one person, Because it's usually, you know how the odds are. And he says he never wins anything. So that was kind of cool. I mean, I was glad it was him. That one. So, I still would have wished I would have won. I should have just said, because Bill had said he didn't want to buy any more the last meat raffle before this thing. He goes, we already spent enough. And I thought, yeah, he's right. And then I thought, I'll just pull my money out for a change. And then, but it just went so fast. So then by the time I was going to say it, too late. And I never win anything. Ever. I like it with the washi. So I'll be flattened in no time because I'll have to store them for the crafter. Oh, this is going to be tricky. That's weird. Somebody must have used this because it's torn. But I bought a used one. They probably put in their ugly colors they didn't want of theirs. I'll put it past them. Especially after getting that open box and bag of Cheetos. That was gross. Yeah. That would have been cool to win. Oh. You know what I'd have done? I would have left right at that second. I would have just walked out the door without spending another penny there. Because I would probably gamble away. I don't know, I'm not a I don't go gambling, I should say. And I have a feeling I would be really one of those gamblers that they have to go lock up because they're so bad. I think I'd be one of them. I went once with my sister-in-law, and I had $20. I thought I'll just spend that. So I spent the $20. Well, I was spending the $20, and all of a sudden I won $80. And I was like, oh my gosh, I should just leave. But this light or this sign above the machine was flashing. $100,000, so-and-so won $100,000. You could win, and it's going on, and I'm just watching that, and I'm like, that could be me. So then I stayed and went through all the money. So that was kind of too bad. Where's that gray? So that's why I just know I would be bad news. Maybe I'll go without. But the tacos are so good. We really like them. Okay, this is a really bad, terrible confession. The first time we went there, they were so good, we both had 2. And I mean, they're the big tortillas, and they fry them. And then they put them in like a French fry boat or a hamburger boat. And then put the meat in, and then you get to put the rest in. So, trust me. We didn't need 2 of them. We won meat that day, but we were so full, we're just like, oh, I don't even want to look at it. But we learned our lesson. Never did that again. That gold might be pretty. Oh, too much of a hassle. Right. I don't like it when they do because this is never going to wind up again. There. Ooh, see, I'll trick it. That doesn't show up at all. Hey, did you guys notice my nails? I had them done the other day. And I was so nervous about the color of nail polish. I said, well, just do clear. And she goes, well, I've got clear glitter. So it's really pretty. Because I just thought, I'm really anal when it comes to fingernail polish. And if I get one little chip, then I got to take it all off, put new stuff on. And then that's where I get in trouble. Because after doing that a few times, my nails are just like paper. And then they all tear up. Oh, that's it. Alright, so that's all done. So there's these. Super simple. You don't have to type these on a typewriter. You can do anything. But hopefully they'll sell. I don't know what I'm going to put on that. I would say, like, you know, for as little work as it is, maybe $2.50 for just kind of a novelty thing. But now I've got some of these to put in my little embelly stash for the next project. So thanks for watching. Bye.